Customer came in with this super low mileage, 29,000 mile, 2009 GT500. We put a couple bolt-ons on, and naturally, we gotta see what it makes on the dyno. Super impressive numbers from this 2009 GT500. It only has 29,000 miles, still has the factory cats, the factory exhaust. Customer came to us with our upgraded pulley and tensioner kit, an aftermarket cold air intake, a Ford Performance dual throttle body upgrade, and obviously our Steeda custom tune, which you can get done right here at our Steeda Valdosta location in South Georgia. 531 horsepower, 531 pound-feet of torque. Incredibly impressive numbers for what, a 15-year-old car at this point? For a stock 5.4 with a stock blower, factory cats, and just a couple bolt-on parts, these are really impressive horsepower and torque numbers. Comment below and let us know if you have any questions on this build, or if you want to see any other S197 or even SN95 or Fox body videos. We are all ears. Be sure to hit us up at Steeda.com for all of your GT500 needs, as well as Mustang and every other Ford for that matter. Hit that like, subscribe, the notification bell, and don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.